The next step after table sawing is, of course, I'm going to cut it for you on the table saw. You will never use the table saw. Is to come over and we're going to use the drum sander. Now this is the drum sander here. A few things to note about the drum sander is on/off buttons are over here. Green is on, red is obviously off. Now after you press the red button, you must turn that switch to reactivate that so the on button will work. From here, the next important thing to note is that this is incredibly dangerous as far as things getting caught under here. You never ever want any piece of material, apron, hair, bangle, watch, rings getting caught, because that'll just reef you through at a very quick rate. Another thing to be aware of is that it creates a lot of dust, so you need to have the extraction system going whilst using this. Of course, for this demo, we don't have that running. When using this, you always need to start the board off so it's not quite touching the sanding drums, and then from that you never ever adjust it whilst it's moving again. And I'll show you an example of what I mean. I've just had it cut on the table, so I've got my board. Now it's longer than yours, but that's alright. So I'm turning the machine on. Now before I use that machine, I'm going to get my pencil. I'm actually going to draw lines across the whole board. And that's going to mean that I can really adjust and see, make sure that it's touching everywhere on this top, because the last thing you want is a slightly curved top. So, they come through, as you can see, I'm going to push this through here. And you know what's going in, it's not touching. The wheels are grabbing and pulling it through, but it's not touching. So to adjust that, I'm going to grab this, I'm going to tighten very slowly. Now this is the first one, it's purely to feel that cut. After it's cutting, be happy, be content. We just want a little bit off at a time. It's a sanding machine, it is not a thick design. Now, when you're doing this, you want to go on the lowest speed. This is the speed right here. You want that on the lowest speed possible. And then it'll come through. You can catch it in the back and make sure not to let it drop. Because if it starts to drop, you find that you'll end up with one side being slightly more sanded than the other. For the next pass through, your board comes through. As you can see, with the extraction you want to get that dust left. It's removed a lot of the pencil marks in the center, but not on the sides. And this is why we've drawn the pencil, so we can see where it's cutting, because we want it to cut the whole way down and give us a brand new top. From here, you come over here, you get it to where it's tight or taut, and then you just move it literally 2 centimeters at max. 20 mil at max, because otherwise it tries to cut too much and it becomes dangerous. Then once again, you do that, you reload it, and you don't touch this until it's gone the whole way through. Anyway guys, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and I'll see you then.